This home is small but mighty. We can't wait to show you. Hi, I'm Alisha Collins.
And I'm Keely Green with the Alisha Collins Real Estate Team. Today we are at our newest listing, 265 East H Street in Casper, Wyoming.
This home has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and some extra space in the basement.
Here in the large living area, the laminate floors have recently been updated and the windows have been updated as well. They have a cool feature for cleaning. Easy to clean right here. And this is how all the main level windows are throughout this home.
Very rarely in this size of home is there a true dining room, and this house has got it.
This is a true galley kitchen, but look how much space there is between these cabinets. Lots of people want a gas range, and this house has got it, including a dishwasher and of course a refrigerator.
Now, in the back of the house, there is a side door to go out to the corner lot. I love this area to bring things in from the car. Built-in storage in the side entry area, as well as a brick wall that adds lots of character. Then you have 2 spacious bedrooms and a bathroom. In the bathroom, there is a true cast iron tub, tiled surround, and newer vanity.
This space is great for storage or can be finished out to be an extra living area. This home comes with a covered patio as well as central air and grass in the backyard.
There's even a garage. We would love to show you this home, so call or text us today. Remember, we want you to love where you live. See you soon.